Hi everyone. Welcome to PDF.co. In this video, we will show you how to generate barcode with async API in JavaScript using PDF.co web API. Let's begin. First, open your Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in JavaScript. Then, enter your JavaScript sample code. You can get the JavaScript sample code in PDF.co API docs. In line 7, add your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. In line 10, type in your desired output file name. For line 12, add the barcode type. For line 14, add the barcode value. Then, set async to true. After setting up the code, you may now run the program. In your terminal, type node app.js to send a request. Once the program runs successfully, it will return a job ID status and the output file. Let's check the folder to view the output. Here's the generated barcode. For more video tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.